everybody. We're at Chino. We're going to head over to Riverside for maybe a couple touch and goes over there, and then we'll go over to Ontario for 2 or 3 over there. Then we'll head back into Chino. Beautiful day. Winds are light out of the west, and clear skies. 20,000 scattered. So a beautiful day to go flying. And we're going to get the tower called in. So enjoy the flight. Here we go.
I'm correct.
Thank you. Chino Tower System 52070 in the run-up short of 26 right. We're ready to go. Left downwind departure to Riverside Airport.
System 52070 Chino Tower, pull up 2 and hold short of runway 26 right.
Up 2 and hold short of 26 right for 070.
Departure for Bracken. Cessna 14 Victor, turn base.
Yeah, let's get all the way over so we can see everybody.
Skylane, Cessna 905 Foxtrot, was that you to bracket, you said?
Sir.
905 Foxtrot.
Here's our landing traffic.
For this next touch-up, Cessna 070 for traffic, make a right downwind departure for Riverside, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, we'll make a right downwind departure for Riverside, 070. Okay, we're cleared to go.
We're going to change crew.
Lights, camera, action.
Tower 118.2, see ya.
1182, 905 Foxtrot, good. Thanks for the help.
Cherokee Hotel, it will be that right turn, so just continue straight ahead now.
Okay, we go. We're clear to go. 26 right.
Now when you're ready for departure.
Here we go. Light feet down. Here comes the power. Here we go. We're up. Okay, there's the airspeed coming alive. Fuel pressure's good. There's 50, 55, and those up. Okay, we're up. Positive rate of climb. Fuel pressure's good. Okay, we're going to do a right downwind departure this time.
Chino Tower, Cessna 60143, info to like to switch to 26 left for touch and goes.
Cessna 143, enter left base over the 15, runway 26 left.
Left base over the 15,
right there.
26 left, thank you, 143.
Cessna 103, turn base before the wash, runway 26 left, clear for the option, number 1.
Before the one turn left, runway 26 left, Cessna 103.
Okay, beautiful thing. Do about 60-inch final. There's our pattern altitude. Beautiful.
Center left base 275, looking for Juliet.
Here's base on base. Final. Nobody out there, we're good. Number 1. Very nice. Get a little green here on the grass. There's the center line. Beautiful. Okay, flaps are coming up, and here we go. Okay, flaps are up. Here we go. There's 60. Here we go. Airspeed's alive. Positive rate of climb. Fuel pressure's good.
Riverside Tower, Cessna 514 Juliet, over the center.
Cessna 4 Juliet, runway 27, cleared to land, wind is 250 at 6.
Clear to land 4 Juliet.
that Cessna.
This is 070, number 2, following the center over the auto center on left base.
070, number 2, we're looking for that traffic. Good. Flaps look good. Nice mowing your job, guys. Beautiful. Okay, flaps are up. Coming up, here comes the power. Nose is down. Here we go. Airspeed's alive. 55 and 60. We're back up. There's positive rate of climb. Ground pressure's good.
This is 070, remain at or below 2,500 feet, and squawk 0233.
And squawk will be 0233 at or below 2,500 for 070.
Roger. Northwest turn out at pilot's discretion.
PD on the northwest turn for 070. Ontario Tower, good afternoon. Cessna 52070 just departed Riverside Airport. We're inbound, requesting left close traffic with Foxtrot.
It's 52070 Ontario Tower, altimeter 3024, make straight in for runway 26 left.
3024 and straight in for 26 left for 070. We're good. UPS ramp looks pretty full today. Yeah, it looks. Get over here, side step a little bit. There we go. Nice. I don't see the Southwest dude coming. So we're good. There we go. Up, and here we go. There we go. Flaps are up. Airspeed 55. Nose up. Positive rate of climb. Oil pressure's good. Final is clear. So we're clear, touch and go, 26 left. Northwest jet, just landing place. He's just putzing. Yeah, we'll do one more after this one. Bring it all the way down. Here we go. Flaps are coming out. There we go. Good. Cars back in. Here's airspeed. Guns up. We're up. Low pressure good. Positive rate of climb. Okay, flaps are good. We got somebody pushing back. Yep. Is that Alaska, American? Two-six left, clear for the option. Alright, 2-6 left, clear for the option. There's 2-6 right, there's 2-6 left. Flaps coming up. Alright, here's the power. There's airspeed's alive. There's 55. And 60. Back up. Fuel pressure's good. Positive rate of climb. And L1011, check that out. Short here we go. Who is that right there? Is that Alaska? Hey, crosswind is our discretion. Touchdown a little early here, so we can get off the ground. Flaps coming up, and here we go. There's the power. There's the airspeed coming along.
0 Yankee Romeo, runway 26 left, clear for the option. On the go, make left close traffic.
6 left, clear for the option, and on the go around left close traffic. 0 Yankee Romeo.
And you've already lifted it off. There's a channel, that guy was below us. ICL 1011, beautiful. Wow, is that orbits? Maybe it is. Okay, we're gonna do an early crosswind. Right with the admin building here.
Golf Colonel Center 3024, wind 2307. Zero 70, remain on your squawk, contact Chino Tower, good day.
070, stay on the squawk, we'll go to Chino, thanks for the help.
Cessna 25 Delta, and reduce your speed. You're going to be number 3, following a Cessna, training to a 3-mile final.
25 Delta, falling up for number 3.
We checked in from the northwest.
Yes, Golden Eagle 31 Kilo Tango, where landing was here.
Nice.
Golden Lake 0 Kilo Tango, Chantar, stay parked on the field.
Flying Tiger.
0 Kilo Tango, right traffic, runway 26 right, and reduce your speed. You're number 4, runway 26 right.
Right traffic 4, 26 right.
Okay, we're clear to land, we're number 1,
Tower,
26 right.
Skylane 9551 Whiskey, holding short, 26 right, pop out, ready for departure.
Cessna 2 Tango Mike, and verify you the Cessna on fine off your left in sight.
You said to my left for 2 Tango Mike?
Cessna 2 Tango Mike, affirm you're on extended down, correct?
I'm on final.
Disregard. Cessna 103, runway 26 left, clear for the option, base approved.
Base approved, clear for the ocean, Cessna 103, thank you. 7 Charlie, room over ground.
7 Charlie, contact ground, ESP1.
Thanks, man.
Skyline 551 Whiskey, Chantar, stand by.
Stand by, 51 Whiskey.
Okay, runway's clear. Six right.
Skyline 51 Whiskey, cross, runway 26 right at Papa, hold short, runway 26 left at Papa.
Cross 26 right, Papa, hold short, 26 left at Papa, 51 Whiskey.
5 Whiskey's gosh, I'm Cherokee's maybe I'm not talking to him. The Cherokee, calling tower, stay again. Cherokee holding short, stay call sign.
That's Warrior 4317 Golf, holding short. Oh.
Warrior 4317 Golf, Chantar, hold position, traffic off your left, crossing.
Chino 25 Delta, did you call the traffic?
25 Delta, they should be passing off here right now, lower, on final, just inside the wash. Do you have them in sight?
Looking.
25 Delta, just turn your base over the wash, runway 26 right, clear to land.
25 Delta, over the wash and clear to land, 26 right.
System 070, contact ground.
070, over to ground.
Golden Eagle, 1 Kilo Tango, you're following Cessna, head to your right, about to turn base over the wash, report them in sight.
What hills are you looking?
Chino ground, Cessna 52070 off runway 26 right at Kilo, taxi to AIA.
52070, Chino ground, taxi via Kilo.
Via Kilo to parking, 070.